this example, we are going to try and solve this quadratic equation with the factorization method we learned in the previous video. Okay, so just as we did in the previous video, we followed these steps to make our work very easy. So again, if you have the quadratic equation given in this particular format, the first thing you have to do is to find the products of A and C, where A is the coefficient of x squared and C is a constant. Okay, so finding the products of A and C. So from the question, the coefficient of x squared is 1 and the constant is 15. So if you find the products of the two, so in this case A is 1 and then C is 15. If you find the product of 1 and 15, that's going to give you 15. So there's supposed to be a 5 here, supposed to be a 5 here, making 15. Okay, now the factors of 15, so that's the step 2. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. So after getting the factors of 15, the third step says that we should make this simple. Okay, the third step says we should get two factors out of these factors of 15. So we should get two numbers out of these four numbers which are representing the factors of 15. We get two numbers such that if we multiply those two numbers, we get C, which is the 15 over here. And then if we add those two numbers, we get B, which is negative 8 in this case. So we compare them again. A is 1, B is negative 8, C is 15. So the two factors we can use in this particular case be negative 3 and then negative 5. Okay, so even though we when we found the factors of 15, we just wrote positive numbers, but when you're looking for the two numbers to give you what you desire, as far as step 3 is concerned, we can use a combination of both negative and positive numbers. Okay, so in this case, both negative 3 and the negative 5 will work for us. Okay, so we will pick those two numbers. So if we multiply negative 3 and negative 5, that's going to give us 15, which is C. And then if we add negative 3 to negative 5, that's going to give us 8. I'm sorry, negative 8, which is B. Okay, so negative 3 and negative 5 work for us. Okay, so we are going to use those two numbers since they work for us. Okay, so again we split the bx. Bx here is negative 8x. Okay, remember that the negative here affects the 8 as well. So we split them. This is going to give us negative 3x plus negative 5x. So afterwards we group them and then we factorize. Okay, so we end up eventually getting this expression at the at the left hand side being equal to 0. Now when you get this, this is a bit different from what we solved in the first example, whereby we had x plus 1 in both brackets. Okay, for this particular question, the expressions in the two brackets are different, so you pick each one of them and then you equate it to 0. So for x minus 5 equals 0, x is going to give us 5. And then for x minus 3 equals 0, x is going to give us 3. And this will be our final answer or final answers. So this is supposed to come before this ones, but that's fine. Okay, so this is basically your workflow and how you eventually arrive at your answer. So our answers for these two questions are these two. Okay. I'll see you in my next video with probably a different example or a topic on a different concept. So, if you have any questions regarding this method, do also leave the question in the comment section. And if you want me to break down a particular concept for you as well, you can leave it in the comment section as well. So I can work on this. But before that, or until that, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.